Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple solution for a curtain bracket repair at home. My wife told me recently that the curtain bracket is pulling out of the wall, and I did have a look and I was thinking, oh what, let me wait until I have some time so I can tackle this job front on. As you can see, the bracket is coming off the wall, so I'll have to take it down and then assess the issue. My initial thought is that I would have to bore 2 new holes on either side of what is there now. Having assessed the problem, I realized that the bracket has pulled away from the screw, leaving the screw intact. So all I need to do is get and replace the screw with a larger head. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is to take out the brackets, replace it with new screws, and voila, job done. Honestly, it took me about 2 minutes. As you can see, the bracket is now nice and firm, so I'm just gonna replace the curtains. Do you have any DIY issues at home? Please feel free to share with me. I probably can give you some ideas on how this can be resolved. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate your support. Please remember, give me a thumbs up, leave a positive comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.